Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, I am with Dymind DF50, which is a 5-part hematology analyzer. Today we are going to replace its optical assembly. So I will show you step by step how to replace the optical assembly. So let's start my today's video. So guys, this is the optical assembly which I am going to install in this analyzer. So let's start. First, here we have one connection, second, third, and this is grounding cable, and we have two more connections which will go here. First, focus from here, come on that side. Here. This cable will be connected here, but what we will do, we will pass from here because I don't want cabling. Okay, and so let's do it properly. Now these are 4 rubbers. We'll connect here like this, all 4 sides. Stop. Okay, now we will connect the cables in the flow cell. So these are the cables, flow cell. So let me connect this cable. All markings are there, so no need to worry about it. This is B, LDS B, this is LDS C, and on your other side, that is LDS D. It will be on the right side. That's it. And the last one, this is the one which will go in the flow cell. So I'll keep this one here. Yes, it's here. And I will connect here in the flow cell. And tie clip. After that, we will cover from this and we will tighten 4 screws. So in this way, we will connect back, install back the optical assembly. guys, if you like our today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again with another video. Till that time, bye bye.